Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to explain why I completely stopped trading meme coins and why I started deving them instead. Because honestly bro, in 2026, with all this volume, deving is just way more profitable and way less stressful than trading ever was. I've personally made hundreds of thousands of dollars from deving alone, and if you want to see exactly how I do it without gatekeeping anything, well, this video is made for you. Bro, look at these numbers in my wallet right here. Hundreds of thousands of dollars, I'm not even kidding. All from deving meme coins, not one single meme coin trade placed. I do not trade meme coins, I just launch them. I let the buyers buy my coin and I exit whenever I want. That is the whole method, and I'm bringing it all down for completely free in this video. Now let me explain something that most people in the meme coin space will never fully understand. And it's the exact reason why trading meme coins will never give you consistent results no matter how you get good at it. Every single meme coin you're seeing right now and that you have ever bought into had a dev behind that coin, and that creator did not launch that coin hoping it for it to go up. He actually planned the entire launch to dump it minutes later to make his profits, like this coin right here, and I can even go on another coin like this one right here. Most of these coins just end up going to zero, and that's the truth of 98% of all meme coins in this market. Every single time you bought a coin, every time you sold a coin, and anytime someone interacted with a coin, a percentage of that transaction goes straight back to the dev automatically, so they make money from dumping the coin and from the creator fees. That is two ways of making money on one singular coin as a dev. So the higher that the price goes, the more money the dev makes, and that's exactly why I initially switched to deving months ago, and it paid off. I'm making a lot of bread. I'm making a couple $1,000s a day from launching like 5 to 10 coins, and I do that daily. So in this video bro, I will show you exactly how to find your viral narrative, how to create a meme coin out of that narrative, and then how to cash out. Hey bro, just so you know, I am not a financial advisor bro. Everything said in this video is purely for educational purposes only, so please bro, do your research tutorial for you guys. Here is what nobody explains clearly about deving meme coins on Pump.Fun. Now most devs in this space are actually launching on Pump.Fun, and they're hoping for a coin to go viral so that they can make a lot of money. But the truth is that they will never get a viral narrative or a viral coin to pop, because when you launch a coin bro, it disappears in the feed. Every single second there's one new coin coming out, so the odds that your coin gains a bit of attention is really slim unless you have a dev wallet with a bunch of motion. But most of you guys watching this video are complete beginners, so I'm pretty sure that you have no motion on your wallet. That's why you have to be avoiding Pump.Fun to launch coins at the beginning. Instead bro, I would leverage a more converting launchpad with more eyeballs on your coins and somewhere where there's less competition, and that is the Raydium DEX in the migrate section. It's the same thing. When a coin migrates bro, it gets a bunch of attention, a bunch of buyers, it explodes. For example, this coin 3 minutes ago got migrated, and look bro, it exploded. Okay, so if you launch a viral narrative on Raydium directly without going through Pump.Fun, you can get a bunch of buyers. The potential is limitless. Okay, and even if you get 10, 5, 6 buyers, why not? That's still profit. You can just do that over and over again. But anyways, to launch on Raydium, do not use Pump.Fun. Like I said, you have to be using create meme.io to launch the Raydium immediately. Okay, this is one of the only and the safest and the best launchpads out here to launch Raydium immediately. That's why it's being gatekept. Now, to actually create a coin on create meme.io, you have multiple different options. You could either use their free X tracker, right? Just click your phantom wallet real quick, and you can turn tweets coming out every single second into coins. For example, right here, if Elon Musk or Trump tweeted bro, you could really hit a quick dev and that could print you money. Okay, there's a bunch of different strategies, and yes, this Twitter tracker is completely free. Okay, they do not charge you anything. Or if you want bro, you can either create your own coins from scratch, custom made. If you have a project or some type of news in mind, right, you can make a name, symbol, and image and turn that into a coin within a couple steps. But in this video, we will be using my favorite strategy that I've been printing, okay? And that is the copy trending coins tab right here. I've made most of my money by copying coins. Why? Because I'm too lazy to go out and look for a narrative. I like to just copy coins that are going viral right now back to Raydium to get way more attention than the coin that I copied. All these coins are going viral on Pump.Fun. They all have a bunch of buyers and they're all proven to get traders in their coins, okay? They just have a good narrative and we will be using those narratives to our advantage to get people to buy our coin when our coin lands in the migrate section. But anyways, now let's make some money. Let me show you exactly how to create a coin and then we will see how much we make, so stick through the end. Now, click your Phantom wallet right and look for a coin to vamp. I'm just going to go for a random one, so this one, the unleveraged coin. Click on copy to Raydium to actually create it. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin will be created in a couple of seconds. Just wait. And boom. Now if I go in solo scan, you guys can see that it's minted, bro. The blockchain does not lie, it's actually on chain, the site is legit. Now let's create the liquidity pool for the coin. Now here, obviously, for the ones that does not know, we are creating our Raydium liquidity pool. Like that, our coin can go to Raydium and we hold all the liquidity in our wallet, okay? Now for the amount of coins right here, just click the 90% preset. I do that for all my launches. For the amount of SOL, put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 SOL. I'm going to put 0.3 for example, but you are not going to lose this money. If you want this Solana back, you can get it back at any moment during your launch. It is not a loss, it's not a fee. It's nothing, okay? It's just to get supply. Now, click on create pool. Whoops, create pool. Your Phantom wallet is going to show up. Ignore the block once again. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. After that, bro, click on the refresh button and then wait a second, scroll down, and bang, the unleveraged coin is live. This is just a ticker, don't worry about it. And you have your P&L right here. And to check your current P&L at any moment, you can just re-click on refresh. And for example, now, damn, we're up $203 in P&L. This is because people are actively buying our coin, and that is a good sign. That means people are liking the narrative that we copied. Now go on your Memecoin trading platform of preference. I usually go on Photon. I'm kinda old school, but it does not matter. I am not a trader, I'm a dev. Okay, it's already pumping. Like I just showed you guys, we're already up like 300, even 500 bucks already. Oh my god, guys, this is exactly why you have to start deving, bro. You guys are seeing it all unfold live on camera. Okay, I am the only guy on YouTube doing something like this. So if you have not subscribed yet, just subscribe, okay? This is insane, guys, okay? This coin costed us nothing to create, and look, we're already up a lot, okay? This is just initial volume kicking in. I'ma let this coin pump. I might even just chuck in the quick 2 SOL buy. You never know what could happen, okay? Be right back. Alright guys, now it's time to cash out on our coin, bro. We're up like 2.4k, I guess, maybe even more. Now look, let me just sell my position on my trade. We made 1.5 SOL from this trade, but not from deving, okay? Come back to create meme.io to cash out as a dev. And obviously, bro, click on the refresh button. And bang, bro, oh my days, we're up $2.3 thousand on this coin. That is absolutely insane, guys. Now click on the minus button. Do 100% if you want to. It's up to you, bro. I usually do 100% just to get it over with. Then click on remove liquidity. Your Phantom wallet is going to show up in a couple of seconds. Ignore the block. Click on proceed. Confirm, I understand. Confirm. And bang, bro. That's exactly how to do it from start to the finish. I just showed you exactly how to dev a coin live on camera. I do not sell a course. And look, I'm not even capping, okay? The money is straight inside my Phantom wallet. But guys, the results will vary from coin to coin. You might make a band, 1.5k. You never know. The results will vary, maybe even more than me, okay, if you get lucky. But create meme.io will be linked down below or in the description, bro. Good luck to everyone. Join my Discord. Peace out.